Dump these 5 costly subscriptions and build wealth faster. What if I told you that you might be losing over $1,000 every single year on things you've completely forgotten about? Seriously, have you ever scrolled through your bank statement, seen a charge, and thought, wait, what is that? It's a gut punch feeling, and it's a massive drag on your financial goals. Recent surveys show the average person is shelling out about $90 a month on subscriptions, which adds up to over $1,000 a year. And here's the kicker. A huge chunk of that, about $205 annually, is for services we don't even use. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the 5 biggest subscription money traps that are silently wrecking your budget. And more importantly, we'll show you how cutting them can fast-track you to building some real, lasting wealth. Let's get to it. Number 1, streaming service overload. First up, the tangled web of streaming services. It starts innocently with one, then another for that one show everyone's talking about, and suddenly you're paying for 5 different platforms. With prices creeping up constantly, this category has become a major budget killer. Think about it. A standard ad-free Netflix plan is about $18 a month, with the premium version hitting almost $25. Disney Plus and Hulu are right there with them, around $16 to $19 each for their ad-free plans. If you've got a few of these, you could easily be blowing past $50 a month just on TV. That's $600 a year that could be in your savings or an investment account, growing for you. So what's the move? It's simple. Audit and rotate. Sit down this week, look at what you actually watch, and be honest. Keep 1 or 2 favorites and cancel the rest. If a new season of a show you can't miss drops, just subscribe for 1 month, binge watch it, and cancel again. This one habit puts you back in control and keeps your money right where it belongs, in your pocket. Number 2, the convenience tax of meal kits. All right, number 2 on our hit list, meal kit subscriptions like HelloFresh and Blue Apron. They promise convenience, perfectly measured ingredients, and a break from grocery shopping. I get the appeal. I really do. But that convenience comes with a hefty price tag. While those intro offers are always tempting, the regular cost is often way more than just buying the ingredients yourself. Most kits average between $9 to $12 per serving. One analysis found a meal that cost $11 per serving from a kit could be made for around $9.75 with a quick trip to the store. That difference might not sound huge, but it adds up, meal after meal. Especially when you throw in shipping costs. The solution here is to start thinking of meal kits as a treat, not a weekly habit. Use a promo code to try some new recipes or order one for a busy week, but don't let them become a default expense. Honestly, the old school skills of meal planning and shopping with a list will always be the most powerful tools for your budget. Number 3, the surprise subscription boxes. Coming in at number 3 is the endless parade of subscription boxes. Whether it's for makeup, coffee, snacks, or even dog toys, they deliver a little box of novelty to your door. The problem is, they also deliver a lot of stuff you probably don't need. It all comes down to the illusion of value. You might pay $30 for a box of goodies that you would never have bought individually. It feels like a deal, but it's often just manufactured spending on things you don't really want. This is a classic want, trying its best to look like a need. Hey, if you're getting some ideas and already spotting a few places you can save, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We're all about giving you clear, no-fluff advice to help you take back control of your money. Now, back to those boxes. The fix is beautifully simple. Cancel any box that delivers things you can easily live without. Instead of letting a company send you a random assortment of stuff, make a specific list of what you actually need and buy only those things. Shifting from passive receiving to intentional buying is a total game changer. Number 4, the sneaky digital apps and software. Number 4 is what I call death by 1,000 digital cuts. You know what I'm talking about. That fitness app you use for 2 weeks in January, the premium version of a photo editor you opened once, or that extra cloud storage you're not even close to filling. They all add up. The real danger here is that the charges are small, $5 here, $15 there, so they just fly under the radar. But 5 of those small subscriptions can easily turn into a significant monthly expense. And just like with streaming, it's so easy to sign up for a free trial and then completely forget to cancel before the billing starts. Your mission here is to do a full digital audit. Go through your phone's subscription manager and comb through your bank statements. For every single one, ask yourself, do I use this daily or weekly? Is there a free version that does the job just as well? Be ruthless. If an app isn't giving you consistent, real value, cut it loose. Number 5, unnecessary premium memberships. And our final money trap, premium memberships. I'm looking at you, Amazon Prime and grocery delivery services. While these can be a great deal for some people, for others, they're just an expensive annual fee for perks they barely touch. The thing about a membership like Amazon Prime, which costs $139 a year, is that it can subconsciously push you to impulse buy just to feel like you're getting your money's worth out of the free shipping. If you only place a handful of orders a year, you're likely paying way more for the membership than you would for standard shipping on its own. So, you've got to do a quick cost-benefit analysis. Look back at the last year. How many times did you actually use the main benefits? If the math doesn't add up, cancel it. You can always pay for shipping on the rare occasion you need something, or just group your purchases to hit the free shipping minimum. Only keep the memberships that give you clear, undeniable value. Look, cutting these 5 subscriptions isn't about depriving yourself. It's about being intentional. By getting rid of over $1,000 in forgotten or non-essential expenses, you free up a serious amount of cash that can finally start working for you. That money can build your emergency fund, crush your debt, or be invested to grow your wealth even faster. Take an hour this weekend to audit your subscriptions. I promise it might be the most profitable hour you spend all year. You are in the driver's seat of your financial future, and making small, smart changes like these is exactly how you build it. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about making your money work for you, check out our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building wealth.